Hey, what's up? This is Ryan Hoover with Aperture and Fit to Fight. I'm here with Sylvia. We're going to look at another option off of a Russian arm. Again, there's a lot of different ways we can get there. We're going to hit it off of head clear from the single neck tie. I get my Russian, get my wrist control, shoulder control. I'm going to drop my head inside. Now from here, I'm going to change my level. When I change my level, I'm going to kind of snap her down a little bit. And from here, I'm going to look to cover her head. Okay, so I'm going to take my bicep and just kind of smash the back of the neck. And then I'm going to chop this one across. And when I do, I'm going to pass this arm. So I'm going to kind of grab her far side arm at the tricep. So let's look at that one more time before we look to finish from here. Hit my head clear, get my Russian, change my level. I'm looking to secure her head and the far arm. Now from here, on the side that I've got the arm controlled, I'm going to step, pivot, make her step, and pick the far side ankle. Head clear, Russian arm, head control, front headlock. I'm gonna step, pivot, force her to step, get weight on this leg. I'm gonna pick that ankle and drive her straight back. Now from there, I can kind of decide based on what we're doing, what the circumstances are, what I'm gonna do. I may stay here. I may keep her wrapped up, make this really uncomfortable for her as I go to the floor. I may fall to here, still having control, look to finish. I may just disengage. I may hit the takedown, let her go, and bail. Depends on what's going on. I may stomp, kick, whatever. So it's just front headlock, far side ankle pick, using the Russian arm as the setup. Ryan Hoover, Aperture and Fit to Fight. Thanks, guys.
I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for